Happy Sunday, everyone. My name is Misha. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to do a jewelry jar unboxing. I don't know what's going to be in the jar. My other half ended up purchasing it. It doesn't seem impressive, but it was really affordable. It was only $19.99. So let's dig in and see if there's any goodies. In this particular thrift store that we found the jewelry jars, what they do is after X amount of time that they can't sell jewelry, they just put in a jar and try to sell it. So this one is the fullest one of 3 that we ended up getting. This one, I don't understand why he even got this one. And then this is the 3rd one, which is pretty full, but I can't even see what's in it. But we're gonna open this one. This is the lucky one. So let's see if there's anything worth me paying $20 for it. I do see that there's like some earrings broken right off the bat, and some watches, but let's open it and dig in. I hope that it's a good one. And it is Sunday today. I have the day off, so I ended up deciding on doing this, and my other half was so nice that by the time I finished brushing my teeth, he had made the bed and he had done a lot of the cleanup stuff that I do in the mornings. I don't know why I have always loved making my bed in the morning, no matter how late I am or how early I am to get to work. It's like at least one task gets done, mentally helps me. What do you guys do on Sundays? Me depends, honestly. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is really taped up. And I'll show you guys how much they were thinking about getting for the particular items that they're selling. This bangle that we're trying to get 99 cents for it. Wow, this is, I don't even know why I'm still struggling with that one. Okay, but let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm honestly, when you see something and you're like, you know what, I kind of wasted money. That's how I feel about this one. I truly feel like I'm not gonna be impressed. Let me move a couple things around. Okay, so let's see. No wonder they weren't selling this. They were trying to sell single bangles for $1.99. So right now, a bunch of bracelets, which to me, I feel like they're not good sellers on my booth. Let's see. These are some silver tone hoops. I don't believe that they're not silver, they're magnetized. There's some earrings here that are broken. And they're unsigned. The only good thing about this ones is that that's easily fixed. I think next time I need to go with him and show him what he should be picking. But I honestly, I'm happy that he did that. I was just having like a not so great day, and so he went and got me a few jewelry jars to kind of make me happier. So there's some silver tone earrings that they were trying to sell for 99 cents. A really fake ring that they were trying to sell for 99 cents. Not impressed. Some gold tone earrings with some orange beads. They were trying to sell that for $1.99, and they need a good cleaning and they're not signed. Wow, this might be the worst unboxing ever. Some little earrings, blue ones. They have like a shell shape. I could sell those at my booth. There's some, what is this? These are brooches. There's 3 brooches that we're trying to sell for $1. No, 4 brooches. Four Christmas brooches. You know, I can never remember the name of this thing of when you put it on the door. So I called them door donuts, and my other half just laughs and thinks that it's extremely funny to tell the world that that's the way I called them. Because I can never remember what they're called. It's just, to me, it's a hard word. Some really fake silver tone earrings, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is gonna be titled the worst unboxing ever. I hope I'm speaking too soon. Let's manifest something good. So there's a little stretchy bracelet. This is actually cute. Okay. There's a glitter ring. And what are you? Oh, there's a white metal bracelet they were trying to sell for $1. Are you onyx? Let me see. So this one, it's a better bracelet. It is unbranded, but it looks like onyx. I'm not sure. So far I think this is the best find. Okay, let's see. Wow, everything here I think it's like broken or not impressive. And it's a really small jar. I've been like looking for jewelry jars for a little while. I actually like this very much. So I like this necklace a lot. I don't think it's marked. They were trying to sell it for $4. Get this off of it. But look at these. This is pretty. And I think this will sell very easily in my booth. The stones might be glass. This is pretty. I do like this. Okay, so this is probably my favorite so far. Is it worth $20? Absolutely not. Another necklace. I have noticed that nothing here has been marked, stamped, branded. This is a silver tone with some little plastic beads. Very light. Um, very light, but it's a beautiful, it looks like it's in really good shape, this necklace. So that will be a good sale, hopefully. This is another pair of earrings that they were trying to sell for $1, and they're also broken. I go to this particular thrift store a lot, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of a feedback regarding what I found, to see if they will consider not putting broken items in the future, because they're not big like a Goodwill. It's not, you know, so they should be able to accommodate more, and just, I don't know, we will see. So there's this ring. I wonder what size this is. This is almost a 10. I'm not sure what kind of material it is because it feels very light. Let's see. And they were trying to sell it for 99 cents. That's the one thing I noticed. All the rings that they tend to sell, they put them usually for 99 cents. And there's a needle pin. This looks like it would be good for a tux or something. I'm not sure, but that's cute. Let's see. A little plastic beads bracelet. They were trying to sell that for $2. I don't get that. I don't get their pricing, honestly. I think they just kind of put whatever. There's a little pin flag for 99 cents. Let's see. This bracelet that it's in really bad shape. I don't know if this is silver. It could be. It's not magnetized. Kind of looks silver, but it doesn't. I don't know. It probably. Okay. And we're pretty much down to the last bit. Okay. Let's see. So we have a broken watch that if it was easy to change the glass, actually it's not a bad looking watch. It's made in Japan and it's stainless steel. So it's too bad that the glass is broken, because it would probably cost more than what it's worth to fix it. There's another watch here, Body, B-O-T-T-I. I don't know. Oof, it's dirty. It has a cat. This it's faux leather and it's in really bad shape. So there's this watch. There's the third watch that I'm sure this is from some sort of, I don't know, team. It's a Sparrow, S-P-A-R-O. And it actually still has the plastic. So this might be a new watch and it's still working. But I don't even know what truly that is. Let me put this back in the jar. There's a silver tone unmarked necklace. It's pretty worn out. It's pretty, and I don't believe it's missing any of the stones. Yeah, it's missing a couple actually. They were trying to sell this for $4, and I'm pretty sure this is not like silver. Yeah, it's magnetized. It is pretty, but I don't even know if I would dare to put something like this in my booth, because I like putting stuff that it's in much better shape, and that I can make some money out of. So this is something that I will probably grab the stones and just kind of use it to fix something that it's worth much more. Let's see. There's another unmarked necklace that it's broken. It's missing one of these flowers. So this is craft jar where I can definitely take the little stones. They were trying to sell this for $6. What were they smoking? Like, it's missing a whole flower. There's a broken unbranded necklace here, which honestly I feel like this is easily repairable, because it's all that happened is that it just came apart here. Come on. I can't do it. I need to go get like my little tools to turn it a little, because this is actually a nice necklace with a carved rose maybe. So this is repairable. It's nice. This will sell easily, because anything carved, it sells so fast in my booth. Okay. Then I have, oh wow, this was definitely not worth $20 at all. There's a pin here that we're trying to sell for 99 cents that has like little, I don't know if that's like a hand with a plant, I'm not sure. This with a barrel opening. Okay, so this is a good necklace. This will sell easily. I'm not sure what kind of stones these are, but this is actually in really good shape. It's really pretty. It's heavy. It's well made. It's not missing anything. Okay, that's a good one. So I guess there's a set here, because these are some earrings. Let me see if I can easily untangle this. So there's one earring, two earrings. This is, a lot of this stuff is just gonna be donated because this is a very, very, very sad jar. So this is a shell necklace, very thin shells. Let me see. It's pretty tangled. Let me see if I can figure out. One moment. Almost. I feel like I almost have it. Okay, whatever. But I think in this one, it's an Avon necklace with some shells. And this might be silver. I had to clean and see. Okay. So a shell necklace that's pretty tangled. The shells are really, really thin, all different colors. Okay. There's a set here of the necklace and earrings, just silver tone, nothing special. And then this last one, which it's a silver tone unmarked with this wheel that looks like it is in horrible condition, and it's unmarked. So honestly, this was a very sad unboxing. Some of the necklaces like this, I did like that. The one with the carved flower, that was beautiful. This particular necklace was beautiful. A couple of the bracelets were not bad, but overall this was not, in my opinion, worth $20. This is something that I'm gonna definitely keep that in mind. I rather spend a little bit more at goodwill.com and get items that are not because they do sell broken stuff too, but you get so much more for your money. This was the best and I'm not even sure if this would be worth $20. So what is your thoughts in regards to purchasing a smaller jar like this? Was it worth it? Do you think I'm gonna get my money back? I would love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.